gentlemen, welcome to the start of another match day vlog. It is currently Friday afternoon. We don't play till Sunday, and you're probably going to be asking why are you starting this now. But myself and a few of the boys are coming up from Sydney, so we're going to stay up here on the GC for the weekend. So it's going to be good fun. We've got the members meet and greet tomorrow and game day Sunday, so it's going to be a good weekend. So yeah, it should be a good one. Holy fuck! You fucking holy shit! They're the boys. The boys are it. Have all these. Then the latter. I think I'm like gonna convert this into a 3-day vlog kind of thing. It looks like. But yeah, welcome to day 2, I guess. We're off to the members event this afternoon. Down there at the hotel where the boys are staying for the weekend. So. Should be good to catch up with the boys. Obviously the NRL side's there as well, so good to catch up with them as well. So see how they are leading into the game tomorrow. So yeah, it should be good. So see what content I can get. So see how we go. Yeah, members event done. It was good to see the boys. They had the NRL there as well, which is great for both the NRL side and the NRL side. Yeah, it was good to catch up with the boys. Ready to go for not only for tomorrow but the massive end of the season. So yeah, it's going to be a good one tomorrow, a big one now, especially with Canberra beating Penrith, meaning that if we win tomorrow, we're second. So massive opportunity tomorrow to get the job done. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Massive game day. Game day. Game day. The lads on tour. Welcome, mate. Welcome. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back for another video. And today we are here at Cbus Super Stadium on the Gold Coast for a very crucial game for us. Today's game is between the Gold Coast Titans and the Sydney Roosters. Now, yesterday, the good old Penrith Panthers got done by the Canberra Rays, meaning the Roosters win tonight. We'll go in the second spot with 2 games to go. So, very crucial game for us this afternoon. It's hot, I know. We're getting roasted alive. Luke's getting his tan. Let's bring it home. Jimmy Bolt. What the boys is. Justin, score prediction, brother. I like it. We'll win, hopefully. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Haynesy_IT. Before we begin, quick word from our match day sponsor. Hey guys, today's video is brought to you by our friends over at TBC Live. TBC Live is changing the game for footy fans across Australia. Sitting at home, thinking what's going to happen next? Now you can predict it. Download TBC Live, make predictions and banter with your mates. How the app works is that you guys can predict anything that happens next in a game of rugby league. All 8 games, every round, you guys can predict it. Predict the next try scorer, the next goal scorer, the next penalty, the next line break, the next error. You name it. Whatever you guys want to predict, you guys can predict it on the TBC Live app. Myself and many other content creators are on the app every game predicting what's going to happen next. There is weekly prizes to win for the winners of every round. See how he goes up against other content creators and friends of your own. And there is also a giveaway at the end of the season of $1,000 after the grand final. Any more information, go check them out on Instagram at TBC Live. Link is in the description. If you want to download the app, give it a go. App Store, Google Play, you name it. They've got it there. Download TBC Live today. Predict, banter, win. Thanks to TBC Live. Without further ado, back to the match day vlog. It's good to be back at the Cbus. It's a home game for me. It's only an hour up the road, so I always appreciate that. It's hot. I hate the day games at Cbus, but it's still a nice ground, I should give him that. The Titans are celebrating 300 games for Kieran Ford, so it's a good honour for him, but it's a massive, massive game, though. And it's basically where we finish up the end of the year, so we're nice and loud. No banners, no drums. No flags. We'll out-chant them. We'll out-chant you, Blaze. We're coming for you. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's soak up the atmosphere. In the away bay, it's hot, but we're going to get the job done. Calm the Chooks, come on. Let's go, boys! Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's go, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Oh! You ready? Yes! I said, oh! You ready? Yes! Give me an A! 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 Yes! What does it spell? Louder! 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 Roosters! 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 Oh, 6 more, go, Danny! Let's go! Roosters! 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 Go, Sammy boy! Let's go, 6 more, let's go. Play on! Go, Sammy! It's penalty, it's penalty.
Play on!
Yes! Gussie! Don't know. Go, give it! Yes!
Let's go!
Let's go! Gussie's a rooster! Gussie's a rooster! Gussie's a rooster! Gussie's a rooster! Let's go in, my boy, Gussie! It looks backwards.
That's again anyway, they're not going by them.
It's 6 again for offside to start with, so try confirm. Oh! Go, boys. Good start, boys. Justin! Let me tell you the story of Sam Walker. He does not miss! Sam Walker doesn't miss! He doesn't miss!
Come on, Dirty Dom!
Go, Dirty Dom. Hey, but Sam Walker doesn't miss. He doesn't miss! He doesn't miss! 6-0. Big start. Stand up! If you're a Rooster fan, stand up! 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 Out the ball, you Eeyore.
Towards the end, we go down.
Yeah, the Gold Coast don't know it. Hit the shit. Forward. That look forward. That's from the stupid penalty. That's not a penalty. Fuck hell. There's a fan cam. I want to see a replay. What? What the? You're a fan. That's fucking bullshit. How the fuck? How the fuck that a sin bin? Oh my god, bro. What happened there? That was so soft. What happened there?
Thank you, Jamie Campbell. Thank you, Titans.
bin. We're doing it to ourselves, though. Get them off the screen. It's not a replay. Hey! Thank you. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. Come on. He fucking fell over. Oh, yeah. Dude. Come on. 6 more. Go, Tom. Fucking shot it now! Fuck yeah!
Yeah, you fucking cocksucker.
10-4, let's go. Roosters! 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 Oh, God! Stand up! And you're a Rooster fan, stand up! Go Rooster fans, stand up! Go Rooster fans, stand up! Go Rooster fans, stand up! Let's go, boys. Let's go, let's go. Go, Teddy! Go, Teddy! Don Young can't fucking tackle, that's why. But Don Young can't tackle. Don Young can't tackle. What the hell was that? Go. Go, Satilli. Go, Toots. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. That's my Pookie. That's my Pookie. He does nothing. Doesn't fucking miss! 16-10, come on, boys. Go now! Go now! Go, Senator! Semi-boy! 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 Semi-fucking-boy! Roosters! 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 Yeah, they got taken the whistle.
No proof, bro. She's on the nose. Fuck them.
No, they took the whistle off us.
That's right.
Apparently their reason is it's because of the players. Like, it's... Yeah, not, they don't know about the horn.
Look at us, come here! Stop staring at us, come here!
Shut up, mate. The clock's broken. I'd say it'd be like one more set till half time. Scrum base 10 now. Come on, boys. Come on, East. Go, Teddy. Oh, it's a training run. It's a training run. It's a training run. Training run, boys.
For this bench.
Roosters! 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 Thanks for coming. Let's go, 26-10. But that was so easy. Time's leaving, says. Oh, Daniel Tupou. Oh, Daniel Tupou. Oh, Daniel Tupou. 26-10, boys. All right, halftime here at Cbus Roosters, 26 leading the Titans 10. Good first half. We had some good stages and some bad stages, but look, you know, we're getting the job done. That's all we need to do so far. So we need to continue on it and, yeah, make sure we get round out this game. Big 40 minutes just to round it out. So, Jared sin binned. I didn't even see it. Like, whatever. Consistency in the NRL this week. You don't know. Suoli injured. Might be a broken hand. So fingers crossed it's not all that bad, but it doesn't look good. But all in all, been a decent first half, limit the discipline, limit the errors, and just got to be patient. You know, our left side's looking good. We've been damaging, but we need to get on and get the job done. Look, Joshy boy.
Hey.
First up, mate, how's Cbus?
Yeah, good stadium.
It's hot.
First half was not bad, just a few errors, discipline. Gave too many penalties, I reckon. A few soft ones. Jared Simpin wasn't good.
I'm Cbus security enemy number one right now.
Yeah, well.
They banned the whistle and the horn.
Banned the drums, banned the banners.
They banned anything.
Can't bring anything into this game.
Got the good start. Got to get the job done. So let's head back inside because I don't want to go back inside because it's too hot. Can I just have the screen out here? It's terrible. But yeah, got a job to do. Massive 40 minutes ahead. It's so hot.
I would like to come back and say the referee can hear the whistle and the play.
Oi, Jared!
Oh my god.
So we took a horn then. The horn's like we're calling the shots.
Roosters! 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 Come on, boys. Go! Yeah! Tedesco! Oh, Jimmy Tedesco! Oh, Jimmy Tedesco! Oh, Jimmy Tedesco! Oh, Jimmy Tedesco! Go, boys, let's go.
Sorry, mate.
Come on, boys, Bondi Wall. Backwards. Oh, my. Oh, no way.
That's Kenny. You
Where's the leg
Joey
going to?
Martin now, don't you?
Fuck.
Look at the scoreboard.
So hot. Still another 28 minutes of hell. Such a silly try to concede too. Go Chooks! Go Chooks! Go Joey! Play the horn, play the horn. Yes, Justin!
Come on! Woo!
Footy's a wanker!
Footy's a wanker!
Gossie's a rooster! Gossie's a rooster! Gossie's a rooster! Gossie's a rooster!
Is that our sponsor? Icon? Here, up there.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
That's our sponsor. What
That's
else?
sponsor. Sam Walker doesn't miss! Sam Walker does not
Who doesn't
miss!
miss, Haynesy?
Sam Walker doesn't miss!
He doesn't
Doesn't miss!
He doesn't miss!
Woo! Let's go.
Go, good work.
Go
Go,
Tilly.
Tilly.
Go Tilly. Go Tilly. Go Tilly. Yes, sir.
Where's the toilet friends now? Where are you?
Roosters! 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 You're so shit, it's unbelievable! You're so shit, it's unbelievable!
Tigers fans.
We're so good, it's unbelievable. We're so good, it's unbelievable. We're so good, it's unbelievable. Ole, 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 ole. Roosters, Roosters. Ole, 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 ole. Roosters, Roosters. Ole, 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 ole. Roosters, Roosters. Bullshit. Bullshit. 19,000. Bullshit. Mainly Roosters fans. You're so shit, it's unbelievable. Last 10 minutes in Queensland for Jazza.
Hey, so that means next week's first last time.
Jared! 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 We love you, Jared. We love you, Jared. No, not my Pookie Bear Toots. Not my Pookie Bear Toots getting scented. S-Y-D! Anyway, I am Sydney till I die with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Gold Coast fans get fucked off home. S-Y-D! Anyway, I am Sydney till I die with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Gold Coast fans get fucked off home. And they scored. Start up, look at the scoreboard. Look at the scoreboard. Far out, man. Scoreboard. Scoreboard. Here we go, big win, lads. Last play, in the second. In the second. Oh, shit. Go on, go on. Yeah, the boys! Hello, boys. In the second, boys. In the second, boys. Oh, shade, bro. Shade. Shade. On to Cbus. How on, baby? How on now?